All right, today on the channel I'm talking about the Taka and I'm talking about the Misago, and I made some ZEISS lenses for each one of these. I did a 25% solid blue color with a flash sapphire mirror on PhotoFusion Extra Gray by ZEISS, and on this Misago here I did a gray gradient 75% fade to 25% with flash ruby mirror, also on PhotoFusion Extra Gray by ZEISS. Got two really cool looks in ZEISS customized lenses for these very popular Masunaga frames. You're not going to want to miss this. Do not go anywhere. Hello and welcome to the Hicks Brunson Eyewear YouTube channel. I am your friendly neighborhood optician, Daniel Brunson, and on this channel I love to talk about my favorite indie eyewear brands, whether it's Masunaga, PhotoFusion, Goatee, Zero G, you name it. A lot of cool indie eyewear brands out there. Luca de Stahl, the latest one that we have curated here at Hicks Brunson Eyewear. I love to talk about my favorite custom tinted transitions type lenses and other cool lens technologies. If you want to see more content like that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right. Thank you so much for being here today. I've got a really cool double feature, two pairs of cool glasses that I customized, and it's everybody's favorite Japanese eyewear brand, Masunaga. Masunaga, just brilliant, amazing quality, a legacy of generations built on the finest Japanese titanium, Japanese acetates. If you want to see more about this iconic brand, you can check out some of my other videos. Maybe I'll link to the video that I made on the iconic 000 by Masunaga, but let's get into it. So today we're talking about the Misago, and we're also talking about the Taka. Now, these two frames are from the Masunaga K3 collaboration. K3 is a lifestyle brand founded by the late Kenzo Takata. These pieces are exceedingly rare and hard to find, not available in very many eyewear stores around the world, are the K3 collaboration pieces with Masunaga. And a couple of the most popular pieces by K3 Masunaga are the Misago and the Taka. These two pieces right here, the Misago right here and the Taka right here. I've made several videos on each of these. In fact, I've made a video comparing the Misago, the Taka, and the Toby, which is a similar design to these. And one of the things that makes these pieces so unique, I will start with the Misago here. There's an interlocking dual eye wire. There's an inner metal eye wire and an outer metal eye wire. There's lots of coining work that Masunaga is known for doing. That's all these details around the eye wire of the frame. They're known for doing and creating their own unique designs. If you look closely, the K3 pieces all feature a flower on the tip of the temple right there. That is the symbol that is Kenzo Takata's family symbol, that flower. And let me tell you, these pieces, they are very beautiful. You have a triple bridge when you put the two eye wire pieces together. They all kind of have to fit harmoniously together. There's some empty space right up in this like upper bridge area, and when you're sizing lenses for these frames, you have to be just perfect on the lens size, and you have to put them together very, very carefully. We've put dozens and dozens of these together with new lenses, and so we've learned a thing or two about that. So let's talk about the pieces that I customized today. Again, I'll start with this Misago here. This one, we designed it to be more of an outdoor sunglass. It is darker. It is a gray gradient tinted lens, 75% density in the top, fading to around 25% in the bottom. So we wanted to give it that really natural fade, and it'll work really well as a driving pair. I'll put it on here so you can see, or as an outdoor sunglass pair. And we also added a flash ruby mirror, which you may be able to catch glimmers of depending on the angle that I hold it in the light. So Flash mirrors, let's talk about mirrors for just a quick second. Flash mirrors are mirrors. These are real mirrors. They're not flash coatings. They are coatings, but they're specifically mirror coatings. The word flash just means it's a soft mirror. Flash is one kind of mirror. It's a soft mirror. The intensity of the reflections has been dialed down, so to speak. The other kind of mirror that you would sometimes see would be a solid mirror. It's a very, just like what it sounds, the word solid, it's very reflective, not always appropriate on lighter tinted lenses or lenses that go clear indoors because it'll create a color shift in what you see looking through. So anytime you're doing a light tint or a photochromic lens with a mirror, you always want a flash mirror. You want that softer mirror. So again, this particular mirror is by ZEISS. It's the DuraVision Flash Ruby. Got a little bit of that ruby hue when you reflect it. And it has a backside anti-reflective coating as well, so that any light that comes in from the top and the sides won't reflect back into your eyes. You won't see as many reflections in the back of the lens. Now, you might still see some reflections. That's just a brute fact of having a mirror on a lens front. There will still be some added reflections on the back, but we put that anti-reflective coating on the back to minimize those reflections and make them more tolerable to you, the person wearing them. So this we used a ZEISS SmartLife Individual 3 single vision lens with a power boost. So our client has just a little bit of magnification in the bottom that'll make distance vision super sharp and clear, and when he looks down to read things, he'll be able to read things and everything will look nice and clear up close as well. When he wears these outside, they will transform through the power of ZEISS PhotoFusion from this gradient gray to a very solid gray. And this is going to look really nice when I show you what this looks like fully activated. The PhotoFusion Extra Gray, the word extra means that this is the ZEISS lens that's capable of getting just a bit darker than the standard PhotoFusion Gray. All right, now let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, nice and dark gray, great for outdoors in bright sun, and you can probably really clearly see that flash ruby mirror on those lenses now. How about that? Isn't that beautiful? Really like the flash ruby mirror. We don't see a lot of the flash ruby mirror. You have a Misago here that's a black gunmetal combination, kind of silver combination frame. And so the ruby is just a nice pop of color that can be applied and added and just creates a cool extra style. And it also, when you have flash mirrors, they block a little bit more light than if you don't have a flash mirror. So they are actually functional when you're out in the sun. So let's just take one last look at that. The Misago with the ZEISS PhotoFusion Gray darkens from gray 75 to 25 when you go outdoors to a nice solid gray with that flash ruby mirror. Oh, that's just wonderful. All right, now part two, we're gonna look at the Taka. And this Taka is a little bit smaller than the Misago. I maybe should have pointed that out. The Misago is a 57 eye size, 16 bridge. The Taka is a 53 eye size, 18 bridge. So a little bit smaller is the Taka. This color Taka is one of the more beautiful colors that is made. You have like a dark gray outer titanium rim, and look at this polished gold inner rim. Look how stunning. It takes a lot of polishing work. I've talked to those at Masunaga who know about the internal workings of the company and the craftsmanship, and they tell me to polish gold, to get it that shiny, you have to polish it for much longer than you do other titanium colors, and that's a beautiful shiny gold. If it was a little bit bigger, I could see my reflection in the gold rim on the back of this frame. Really beautiful. And let's talk about this lens. So this is the same ZEISS lens. It's a SmartLife Individual 3 single vision, crystal clear optics at a distance with a small power boost in the bottom. So when our client is wearing it, he can see to drive, he can even see to read, see the small numbers on his watch, or when he's reading something on his phone. It'll be much more easy with the SmartLife Individual 3 digital with power boost. And so this lens color we did is a blue tint, solid blue tint, 25% density, and that's lighter. A 25% density That's pretty close to what we call a Category 1, just a hair lighter than what we call a Category 1 indoor tint. So light enough to wear indoors for sure. And we also added the flash sapphire mirror. So you've got a little bit of extra blue reflecting off of that lens surface. You can probably notice that you can see my eyes. The tint color is light enough to see my eyes. Sometimes that flash blue mirror, or any flash mirror, will make it a little bit harder to see the eyes, even on a light colored tint. But one of the things with a thin titanium frame like the Taka here, enough light comes in around the sides and the back that even with a mirror and a light enough tint, it usually won't hide a person's eyes when you're wearing the glasses indoors like these. So that's what that looks like indoors. Really nice blue color for those who like the blue. And our client wanted these to be a really effective sunglass when worn outside. So he did the same thing. PhotoFusion Extra Gray. And let's take a look. I really can't wait to see. I'm just going to do one side first. Look how beautiful the blue mirror looks on the gray. Oh, it's awesome. Really nice, rich blue. And let me show you what it looks like here. Fully turns gray, absorbs that blue tint really well. And what does it look like on? Nice, rich, flash blue mirror. Indoor blue tint here, outdoors turns dark gray. You really get to kick on that blue mirror. And the way flash mirrors work too, they just simply show up more the darker the lens is behind them. So let's go ahead and fully activate both sides here. But that's the way mirror coatings, flash mirrors in particular, will work. When the lens color is lighter, they won't quite show up as much. That is, the mirror color won't show up as much. When you darken the lens fully, then you get a lot of that rich blue color from the mirror showing up, and that's a good look in this gray and shiny gold Taka. Really fantastic look. Those of you that may be interested in the Taka or the Misago, they're quite comfortable frames to wear. This very thin titanium temple arm. This is one of the famous temples from the K3 collaboration with Masunaga. Kenzo Takada designed it. It was inspired by a lorgnette handle, which is the handle from a vintage opera glass, is what a lorgnette is. So really beautiful details on all of the K3 pieces, including this Taka and Misago that I have shown you in today's video. Let me know what you guys think about these looks. Two very fashionable and functional looks that I've just made here. And you could have something done like this for yourself. Do you like the blue mirror, the blue tint blue mirror with gray, or would you have combined that with a PhotoFusion blue? I've made a video, or videos at this point, on the ZEISS PhotoFusion blue color, and it's a rich, vibrant blue. It might be another option. What would you have done with the darker sunglass? Maybe you would have done a different color mirror other than the ruby. The possibilities are open and just about endless in ways that you can customize your lenses. If you want something done like that for yourself, you can reach us by the contact information available in the description box, and I will see you in the next video.